back with another most popular and loved chicken main course dish. It is a chicken Changezi. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel. So let's start. In a mixing bowl, take 750 grams of chicken. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lemon, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander seed powder, half teaspoon of cumin seed powder, salt to taste, mix everything well and set it aside for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, in a pan, take 1 cup of roughly chopped onions, 1 cup of roughly chopped tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, 1 inch of ginger peas roughly chopped, 4 to 5 green chilies, quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of caraway seeds, 1 big cardamom, 3 green cardamoms, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 piece of mace, 1 bay leaf, 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil and then switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. Then we are going to make it a nice fine paste. In a pan, drizzle some oil. We are going to pan fry our chicken pieces. Now place the chicken pieces and let it cook till they turn golden in color. We are going to pan fry our chicken pieces in batches on medium to low flame so that all the chicken pieces are done nicely and cooked evenly from all the sides. These are done from one side. Now we are going to flip it and cook it from the other side. It is done. Now remove it from the pan and fry the other batch. In the same manner, fry all the chicken pieces. For gravy, heat 1 teaspoon of clarified butter. Add the prepared tomato onion puree. Mix it and we are going to cook it till the excess moisture dries off and oil starts to release. Now we are going to add 2 teaspoons of coriander seed powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt to taste, half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Mix everything nicely. We are going to roast our spices till they turn aromatic and oil releases on the edges. Now it is done. Add the prepared fried chicken pieces. Mix everything well. Now add quarter cup of water, half cup of fresh cream. Mix everything well. We are going to cook our chicken pieces on medium to low flame till they are nice, soft and tender. Oil has started to release. Now add 1 teaspoon of crushed kasuri methi. Mix well. Our chicken changezi is ready. Transfer it to a serving dish. Chicken changezi is ready. If you find the recipe easy, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, then please subscribe the channel.